In this video, I will show you how to set up hotel room on booking.com. So under your actual property details, you can head over and then set up your property. So we have in here, for example, room 1. You can head over and click on it, and then you can enter how many bed is available. So for example, let's have a double bed and another single bed. So click on save. And then from in here, we also have living room if it had any bed or other places. And then choose how many guests can stay as well as how many bathrooms that it have, if you allow children and if you offer cribs. So it will ask how big is it. So you can put in here the actual ratio or how big it's gonna be. Then click on continue. And then from in there, this will load. And then it here, you just need to put in here what guests can use at your property. So you can head over and then just utilize all of these things that has been added right here if it's available or the likes. So head over and click on continue. And once you're done, you should be able to properly set it up.